Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Electrike from Pokemon. We're going to be drawing this character from the side view. So let's start on the left side of our page with the front of the snout. So from the tip, we're just going to curve up and over towards the face. Now we're going to draw in the mouth area. Starting from that same starting point, we're going to curve down and over towards the right. Then from here we're just going to curve over towards the top of the mouth, going up to the right. Now from here it's going to draw a short angled line towards the corner of the mouth, just coming down. Now we're going to draw the open jaw. So starting from here we're going to curve down towards the bottom of the mouth. Now it's going to pull this back up. And then from here we're just going to close off the back of the mouth with an angled line. Let's add two fangs along the bottom of the jaw. Starting on the left, we're going to curve across and up. Now I'm just going to taper that back down towards the corner of the mouth. Let's draw that same tooth on the inside. Coming across, and then again we'll taper that back in. Now we're going to add the tongue, starting from the bottom of the mouth, curve up and over towards the right, then in. Now let's move up and draw in the eye area. From the top of the snout, we're going to step over to create a little overlap. We're going to curve up towards the center of the face. Now we're going to curve down in the opposite direction. Coming down. Now from here I want to come out towards the tip of the fin. We curve up, over towards the right, towards the tip. Now from here I want to come in the opposite direction, aiming towards the corner of the mouth. I'm just going to come down and aim to right about there. From this point we're going to add the trim just underneath the eye. Starting here we're going to curve up and over. Now it's going to curve just underneath the eye area towards the inside. Come down. And just pull that back up slightly. We're going to draw an angled line coming down, leaving a gap at the front, right here. I'm just going to add the edge of the nose with a little curve coming down and across. In this area here, we're going to tuck in the eye. So from this point, I'm going to step back, curve out and down. Now I'll draw in the back of the eye. Starting from the top, we'll curve in the opposite direction, then come down. Now right in here, we're going to add in the pupil. Starting from the top, it's almost like a half oval. I'm going to curve down and pull that back up. I'm going to add an oval in the center. Now I'm going to fill the outer area in black. Now let's draw on the top of the head. From that same point here, we curve out and up. Now we're going to draw a point, curving over the top of the head and out towards the tip. Now from here we're going to tuck this in behind this fin. Come down and then in. Just above the eye I want to add a little wrinkle, just a curve going across. Let's add the detail on the side of this fin. Starting from the top, curve across towards the right and down. We're going to come in, come down with a curve. Now from here I want to curve up towards the tip. Just a slight gradual curve going up. Now that we've drawn the head, let's work our way down towards the body and the legs. So we start with the chin first. Starting at the bottom of the mouth on the left side, we're going to curve down. Now we're going to pull that up the side of the chin. Now we're going to curve it down towards the belly. Blend into a curve coming down. We're going to add a point of fur right down here. We're going to taper this up. Now we're going to curve it back down. Curve down. Now we're going to overlap the front leg on top. So from this point, I'm going to step up, come down, now curve in the thigh area. And create a little overlap, stepping back, come across and over. Now we're going to round out the paw. Curve it down. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the paw, we're going to draw a curve, coming down and then back up. From here we're going to work our way back up the back of the leg. So from here we're going to go up, pull that over towards the right. We're going to add a point, tapering that back in. Now we're going to curve up towards the belly. Let's move back down and separate out the paw. So from the point, we're going to step over, curve across and up, step over one more time, follow that same curve. Now we're going to draw the back leg stretched out forward. So beside this thigh here, we're going to curve forward and then down. We're going to round out the bottom of the foot just like we did in the front here. Come down and then up. We're going to round out the top of the paw. Going up and then over. Now we're going to blend into a curve going up underneath the chin. Let's separate out the paw just like we did over here, starting at the bottom, curve over, step back towards the right, do that one more time. Now we're going to continue with the back leg. So we're going to take this curve, continue in behind the leg here, going across. Now we do another overlap. From this point we'll step up, curve down, and we're just going to pull that back. Now we're going to draw on the bottom of the leg. From this point again, we're going to create a little overlap, curve across and over towards the left, round out the paw, and then come down. Let's round out the bottom of the foot, coming down and then back up. Now from here we're going to go up to a point in the back of the leg. So right here we're going to go up. Now bend it over towards the right. Now we're going to bring this back, so creating a point, going forward and then down. Now at the bottom we're going to separate out the paw. Curving over, step over again, and draw that same curve. Now I want to move up and draw on the back. So up here I want to draw a curve going in behind the spike, but we're going to leave a little gap. Start with a curve that goes across like that, leave a gap, and just continue just in behind this point. Now this open gap, this is where the tail is going to go. So we're going to step over to create an overlap, curve out towards the right. Now we're going to pull that up towards the tip of the tail. Now I'm going to taper this in behind this point. Come down and start to pull that over towards the left. Let's add some detail here. So a little zigzag pattern, we're going to go up, come down at an angle, go up again. Now one more time, we're just going to pull this towards the side of the tail. Now we take this point and just duplicate it in the back leg. So right up here, we're just going to curve across and pull that down. Now one last thing I want to do is add a little patch in the back. So just underneath this curve, we're going to go out towards the right, round it out, pull that back in, and that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Electrike from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.